Welcome to Iace. Now we are discussing my RRB Office Assistant Grand Test 54 regarding quantitative aptitude part. Here 41 to 45 number series questions. Number series 45, 49, 57 series was increasing 45 to 49 the difference is 4. 49 to 57 difference is 8. 57 to 73 60 13 16 difference is there so difference was becoming double 4 8 16 next should be 32 73 plus 32 105 105 nothing but option D option D. Next 76 80 71 87 here the difference is 4. 80 71 the difference minus decreasing minus 9, it is plus 4 minus 9. Next 9 plus 16, next minus 25 squares those are the squares 2 square 3 square 4 square 5 square, next should be 6 square that should be plus 36 because alternate plus minus that means 98 option C option C 98. Next 43 42 40 43 38 45 series decreasing increasing 42 to 40 here minus 2 plus 3 minus 5 plus 7 minus plus alternate next should be minus 2 3 5 7 prime numbers prime, so 7th or the next prime 11. 45 minus 11 34 next 4 9 20 43 185 series కాస్త high level increment అయిందమ్మా 4 9 20 43 question mark 185. If you observe here into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 3, next should be into 2 plus 4 43 into 2 86 plus 4 90 90 ante option C right next 13 14 30 here into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 next should be into 3 plus 3 so 60 30 into 3 30 into 3 90 plus 3 93 option E option E 93. Next 46 to 55 simplifications 50% of as per board first preference of 50% nothing but half of that 3900 రెండు కంటిన్యూస్ బై ఉన్నామా సో బికమ్స్ into 26 into 25 20 13 2s 13 3s 2 150s 25 6 times option D 6. Next 3 square into 4 square 3 square 9 16 5 80 into 9 720 by 36 2 times 20. Next as per board first multiplication 123 into 2 246 246 to 4 both 242 69 plus 242 that will becomes as the minus 69 minus 11 58 58 60 and 300 option D 300. 25% nothing but 1/4 means it is 40. 50% half 160 160 plus 40 200. Next 3 by 8 by cancelling with 8 8 to 21 times 21 into 3 63 15 by 5 ante 3 63 into 3 189 189 Next as per board master first multiplication root 25 and 5 5 into 5 25 plus 100 325 minus 100 225 225 that means 15 square option C. Next 348 by 29 29 ones 29 58 by 29 2s 12 16 plus 144 16 into 12 160 plus 192 144 196 296 336 Option D. 621 divided by 3 cube into 2 minus 37 ma. It is ma 621. 621 divide by 3 cube ma nothing but ma 27 into 2 minus 37 equals under root of question mark ma. Here ma 27 2's 54 ma 8 balance ma 81 27 3's 23 into 2 ma 23 into 2 nothing but ma 46 46 minus 37 ma 9 ma. So 9 undi ante under root lo 9 square it should be 81 ma. 81 ma. Option D. Option D ma 81. Now we are looking at question number 54. 18 minus question mark plus 19 plus 11 square ma. 11 square ma it is 121. 121 minus 120 ma 1. 1 plus 19 ma 20 plus 18 ma 38 ma. 38. Next. Now we are looking at question number 55. 1/3 of 786 ma. By cancelling with ma 3. 3 2 just 6 ma. By cancelling with 3 ma. 3 2 just 6. 3 6 is 18. 3 2 just 6. 262. By cancelling with 8 ma. 8 by 11 ma. 8 ones 23 ma. 8 to the 16. 8 7 ma. So 11 times of 127 ma. 10 times plus 1 time ma. 1270 plus 127 ma. Nothing but ma 1397. 1397 ma. Is equals to some x minus by cancelling with 4 ma 4 ones 4 threes 4 132 13 times ma 132 10 times ma 1320 plus 3 times ma 396 1716 ma 1716 ma minus 1716 ma becomes as plus ma 1716 here ma 17 19 60 plus 10 ma 78 1978 minus 1397 ma 18 minus 7 ma 9. So last digit is 9 ma. With 9 ending ma only one option is there ma. Option C ma. Option C. We can do no need to do ma. Here ma 6 ma 16 minus 9 ma 5. Here ma 50 18 minus 3 ma 5. No need to do that ma. Directly by looking unit digit ma we can say ma 559. 56 to 60 ma. Here ma quadratic equations x cube minus 538 ma becomes as plus 7 plus 5 ma 12 1230 1290 1331 ma 1331 nothing but ma 11 cube x equals to 11 358 becomes as ma plus already 642 ma 1000 అవుతుంది అంటే y value ma 10 x is lesser than y x less than y next ma 6x square minus 2x ma by taking 2x common తీసుకుంటారు ma by taking 2x by taking common here ma 3x minus 2 equals 0 so x equals 0 and x equals to 2 by 3 2 by 3 ma 9 y square equal 1 ante y square equal 1 by 9 y equal to plus or minus 1 by 3 ma y equals to plus 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 3 ma 0 compared to both ma greater 0 is compared to 1 by 3 ma lesser compared to minus 1 by 3 ma greater so we can't say the relation ma relation cannot be established ma no relation ma no relation next 2x square plus 3x minus 2 ma 2 2's ma 4 minus 4 ma so minus 4 ma 4 ones are 4 4 ones are 4 4 and minus 1 ma 4 and minus 1 nothing but ma answers minus 4 plus 1 by 2 by 2 next ma 30 into 2 ma 60 ma 60 12 5 y equals 12 and 5 12 and 5 by 2 by 2 ma 6 and 2.5 ma minus is compared to both ma lesser only 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5 ma lesser only so x less than y ma x less than y ma option b ma option b 59th 6x square plus 19x plus 15 ma 15 6 are 90 ma 15 6 are 90 ma 10 10 9s ma 90 10 plus 9 ma 19 so x values ma minus 10 minus 9 by 6 by 6 ma 3 tens ma 30 6 5 ma 6 plus 5 ma 11 so y values ma minus 6 minus 5 by 3 ma by 3 ma. It is minus 5 by 3 ma. And minus 5 by 3 nothing but ma 1 point something ma. It is clearly 2. That means ma greater. Minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 ma equal. It is ma 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 1.5 ma. So compared to that ma greater. Compared to that ma it is 1.5 ma. Then we compare to that greater only. X is greater than or equals to y. Option B ma. Next. 3x square minus 13x plus 14 ma. 14 3 is 42 ma. 6 7 is 42. X values ma 6 and 7 ma. So 6 by 3 and 2 7 by 3. 2 2s 4 ma. 2 2s 4 minus 4 plus 1 ma. Minus 4 plus 1 and values 4 minus 1 by 2 by 2 ma. 2 and minus 1 by 2 ma. 2 and 2 ma equal. 2 is compared to lesser value ma greater. 7 by 3 compared to that ma above 2, that means greater ma, and equal greater. X greater than or equals to y. X greater than or equals to y. Option C ma. Option C. Next. 61 to 65 ma. The following pie chart shows the distribution of expenditure ma. Expenditure in percentages ma. Total expenditure ma 1,20,000. Data given ma percentage ma. Find the central angle amount spent on water ma. Water angle ma. Water ma 15%. So we require ma 15% of 360 degrees ma. 360 degrees lo we require ma 15% ma. 10% plus 5% ma. 36 plus 18 ma 54. Next ma. What is the difference between the amount spent on electricity and others ma? Electricity is 20, others is 10 ma. 10% is difference ma. Overall ma 1,20,000. Download 10% nothing but ma 12,000. Next, the amount spent on security is what percent of total amount spent on cleanliness ma? Security is what percent of cleanliness ma? Is what percent of is by of ma? Security nothing but ma 25, cleanliness ma 30 into 100 ma. 5 5 5 ma 5 by 6 ma 1 by 6 ma 16.66 5 times ma 83.33. The amount spent on security is how much percent more than the amount spent on it ma? How much percent more? Security ma 25, electricity ma 20. Value 5 more ma compared to 20 ma. 5 by 20. 5 by 20 nothing but ma 1/4. 1/4 means ma 25 percentage. 25%. Next ma. Find the ratio between the amount spent on security and others ma. Ratio of security and others ma. Security ma 25, others ma 10. 5 5 is 5 2 ma 5 is to 2. Option B ma 5 is to 2. Next. 66 ma. By selling 15 pence, selling price of 3 pence is gained. Find the percentage of profit gained ma. So 15 pence sale చేసినప్పుడు 3 pence sale price profit వచ్చి మా. జనరల్ గా ప్రాఫిట్ అంటే ఫార్ములా సేల్ ప్రైస్ మైనస్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మా. ప్రాఫిట్ 3 సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చిందమ్మా. ఎన్ని సేల్ చేసినాము 15 మా. సో 15 SP మైనస్ 15 CP. ఈ బిజినెస్ లో 15 కొని 15 సేల్ చేసినప్పుడు వచ్చిన ప్రాఫిట్ మా 3 SP ప్రాఫిట్ మా. సో బ్రింగ్ ద 15 CP is equal to 15 minus 3 ma 12 SP. 4 5 CP by SP ma 4 by 5. అంటే 4 కి పర్చేస్ చేస్తే 5 కి సేల్ చేసాడు. బట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్కింగ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంటేజ్? ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంట్ మా ప్రాఫిట్ బై కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మా. ప్రాఫిట్ ఈస్ 1 by 4. 1/4 మా. 1/4 నథింగ్ బట్ మా 25%. ఆప్షన్ డి మా. నెక్స్ట్. 3 partners Ram, Shyam and Mohan invested 1,80,000 ma in a business. At the end of the year, Ram got 800, Shyam got 600, Mohan got 400 as a profit. What is the percentage of profit ma? Question asking what is the profit percentage ma? Ratio and just profit percent ma. What is the overall profit ma? 8 plus 6 14 plus 4 ma 1800 profit వచ్చింది మా అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 1,80,000 మా. సో ఇక్కడ పెడితే 10% మా, ఇక్కడ పెడితే 1% మా. సో 1800 is nothing but 1% మా. 1%. Next. A is 40% more efficient than B to complete the full work ma. If B takes 12 more days than A to complete the work, how many days A take to complete the full work ma? So A 40% more efficient ma. If B efficiency 100% అనుకుంటే A efficiency ma 140% ma. Nothing but their efficiencies are in the ratio ma 7:5. days ratio will become 5:7. Clear చెప్పారు మా. B was taking 12 more days to A. A కన్నా 12 days ఎక్కువ తీసుకున్నాడు. B was taking 2 parts more. 2 parts is equal to 12 days. One part 6 days. If one part is 6 5 parts will be 30 days So A can complete the work in 30 days. Question that A will take 30 days. Next the ratio of the speed of the train and the speed of the train A and B is 4:5. If A takes 1.5 hours to travel 150 kilometers, then find out the time taken by the train B to travel the same distance. So A and B speeds ratio is 4:5. If speeds ratio is 4:5, times ratio will be inverse of that. So times ratio will be 5:4. We know that A was taking 1.5 hour time. So 5 parts 1.5 hour అయితే 5.3 times one part is 0.3. So it is 1.2 hours. So it will take 1.2 hours. But question asking all the options are in minutes 1.2 hours nothing but 72 minutes Option A 72 minutes. Next. A boat covers 50 kilometers downstream in 10 hours and obviously downstream speed is 5. Downstream speed is 5. If the speed of the water is 4, what is the speed of the boat? Water speed 4 అయింది అంటే obviously boat speed వచ్చేసరికి 1 Speed of the boat should be 1. Next. A vessel has mixture of two liquids. Liquid A and B are in the ratio 9:5. After removing 11.5 liters, if we add 11.5 liters of liquid B, then the ratio of the two liquids will become 6:11. Find the quantity of liquid in the original mixture. What is the original? Initial A and B are in the ratio 9:5. 11.5 liters mixture remove చేసి 11.5 liters liquid B యాడ్ చేసామా అంటే ఓవరాల్ క్వాంటిటీ చేంజ్ అవ్వదమ్మా బికాస్ 11.5 తీసి 11.5 యాడ్ ఓవరాల్ క్వాంటిటీ సేమ్ బట్ నౌ ద రేషియో ఇస్ బికమింగ్ 6:11. ఈ క్వాంటిటీ అయినా సేమ్ బట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మేక్ ద క్వాంటిటీస్ ఈక్వల్ 9 plus 5 ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ 14 parts 6 plus 11 17 parts so to make the equal multiply reverse it is multiply with 17 కాబట్టి into 17 it is 14 14 17 nines 153 85 84 154. We are making to make the parts equal because overall quantity change avudama overall quantity alane untundi 11.5 తీసి 11.5 పోసామా overall quantity here also same overall parts right but in the now we are discussing ఇక్కడ తీసేటప్పుడు మిక్స్చర్ రిమూవ్ చేశారు బట్ వేసేటప్పుడు మాత్రం ఓన్లీ బి లిక్విడ్ వేసాడు అంటే వెళ్ళిపోయిన బి ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చేసిందమ్మా ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏ కూడా వచ్చిందమ్మా దట్ మీన్స్ సారీ హియర్ whenever while removing A and B removed but mixing మాత్రం ఓన్లీ బి అంటే వెళ్ళిపోయిన బి వచ్చేసిందమ్మా ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బదులు కూడా బినే వచ్చిందమ్మా ఏ బదులు కూడా బినే వచ్చినట్టు సో హౌ మచ్ దట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ what is difference 153 84 difference 69 parts so ante 69 parts we got a out of 153 69 parts 150 so ఇది తీసినటువంటి పార్ట్ 69 out of 153 if you take the total quantity sum x అనుకోండి into x is equals to 11.5 so mixture remove చేసింది 69 parts out of 153 in the total quantity so if you remove the decimal 10 5 2s 5 23s 23 3s 351s 51 by 2 51 by 2 nothing but 25.5 option B 25.5 next ratio of difference between the ages of father and son and sum of the ages of father and son is 3:1 question difference between father and son difference and father and son sum the ratio should be 3:10 if the difference of the ages of father and son is 24 father it is 3 parts is 24 this will be 80 question asking then find the age of father Father age will be sum by 2. 80 plus 24 ma 104 by 2. Nothing but ma 52. 52 years ma. Next. A solid sphere of radius 50 meters is melted. 50 meters is melted to form the number of small spheres of radius 0.5 meters. It is each. Then find the value of n. So ఒక పెద్ద స్పియర్ ని మెల్ట్ చేసి చిన్న చిన్న స్పియర్స్ హౌ మెనీ ప్రిపేర్ దట్ మీన్స్ బిగ్గర్ వాల్యూమ్ బై స్మాలర్ వాల్యూమ్ స్పియర్ వాల్యూమ్ ఫార్ములా 4/3 pi r cube 4/3 కామన్ వాల్యూమ్ గెట్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ సో నో నీడ్ సో లార్జర్ r cube by smaller r cube larger radius ma 50 so 50 into 50 into 50 by smaller one ma it is also in terms of meter only ma 0.5 ma 0.5 meter but decimal part lo undi kabatti that will become ma 0.5 we can write as ma 1/2 1/2 into 1/2 into 1 nothing but ma 1/8 becomes as అది into అవుతుంది మా సో ఎంత మా 5 5 25 25 5 మా 125 into 8 మా 125 into 8 ma nothing but ma 1000 3 zeros additional ma so nothing but ma option A. Option A. A shopkeeper increases the price 66 2/3% and hence his revenue decreased by 25%. Find the percentage change in unit sale. How much percentage change in unit sale? So a shopkeeper increased 66 2/3 nothing but that equivalent to 2/3. 2/3 price increase చేశాడు. If let assume మా initial value is 3 అనుకుంటే if let assume initial value is 3 ఇప్పుడు 2/3 యాడ్ చేసినామంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా 2 యాడ్ చేసినట్టు. Now the price is మా 5 3 ఉన్నది కాస్త 2 ఇంక్రీజ్ మా 5 అయింది కాబట్టి అతనికి వచ్చే రెవెన్యూ డిక్రీజ్ అయింది అంటే అతనికి వచ్చే మనీలో డిక్రీజ్ అయింది దట్ ఈస్ హౌ మచ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ మా 25% అంటే 3 రావాల్సింది నా హీ వాస్ గెటింగ్ మా 25% లెస్ 25% less nothing but ma one fourth of that ma so one fourth of that ma 0.75 and now he was getting only 2.25 so what is the percentage change question asking ma what is the percent ante 5 ది 2.25 కి వస్తుంది ma and how much difference ma 2.75 by 5 into 100 ma so decimal will cancel ma 5 5s 5 5s 55% ma 55% ma option A. Option A ma 55%. Next. Now we are looking at question number 75. The difference between the simple interest received from two different sources on 1500 for 3 years is 13.50. So 3 years difference ma 3 years difference ma 13.50. The difference between the rate of interest is ma. If you observe ma careful ma 13.50 ma దీంట్లో 1500 లోన ma 1500 లో 10% మా 150 1% మా 15 కన్నా ఇంకో తక్కువనే ఉంది మా సో 15 కన్నా 1.5 లెస్ మా నథింగ్ బట్ మా 0.9% మా బికాస్ 0.1% 1.5 దానికి 9 టైమ్స్ అమ్మా సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0.9% మా 3 ఇయర్స్ కి 0.9% డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది అంటే 1 ఇయర్ కు డిఫరెన్స్ మా 0.3% మా 0.3% నథింగ్ బట్ మా ఆప్షన్ సి మా 0.3%. 76 ma find the ratio between the manufacturing units of beds and dining tables in 5 months. Ratio between the manufacturing units of beds and dining tables in 5 months. Beds and dining tables ma beds ma 20 30 38 40 50 61 ma it is 61 to only one option is there ma no need to calculate that option ma so option E ma option E. Next. The number of manufacturing units of dining table in January and February is how much percent more? Question asking percent more. Dining table January and February ma dining table January 18 plus 15 ma 33,000. How much percent more than the manufacturing units of kitchen trolley April May? Kitchen trolley April May ma 10 plus 15 ma 25. So 8 more ma compared to 25 into 100. 25 4 times nothing but 32%. 13 to option D. Next ma find the average number of units manufactured in the month of March average ma 21 plus 8 ma 29 39 45 plus 10 ma 55 by 4 55 by 4 ma 55 by 4 nothing but ma 4 ones 15 ma 4 4 ja sir 4 3 ja 12 30 13 option D. Option D. Next ma 79th. The kitchen trolley manufactured in April is approximately what percent of the total units of kitchen trolley manufactured in 5 months? Ma? Kitchen trolley April is what percent of? Ma? So kitchen trolley April ma 10 by all the 5 months kitchen trolleys ma 9 plus 17 ma 26, 26, 47, 57, 67, 72. 10 by 72 into her ma. Anyway ma that zeros will get cancelled ma. Here ma 10 percentage value 7.2 ఇంకా ఎక్కువే ఉంది మా. సో about 10% మా, about 10% మా, two options are there ma. Here ma 10 percentage value ma 7.2 extra 2.8 ఉంది మా, extra 1. What is the 1% ma 0.7, 0.7 కి దాదాపుగా 4 times అమ్మా. సో అంటే 14% మా, 14%. నెక్స్ట్ 80 మా. What is the difference between the number of kitchen trolley and sofa set manufactured in 5 months? Question asking ma, difference between the kitchen trolley and sofa set of 5 months. Kitchen trolley ma overall ma 17 plus 9 ma 26, 47, 26, 27, 47, 57, 67, 72. And sofa sets ma 11 plus 20 ma 31, 31, 37, 47, 57, 65, 75, 84 ma 72 and 84 ma 12,000 ma, difference ma 12,000. Otherwise ma we can, by adding we can get ma, otherwise ma we can do that ma individual values ma, by looking individual values ma. For example kitchen trolley and sofa set ma, if it is less ma take the negative, if it is more ma take the positive, your convenient way ma, in that also. For example kitchen trolley is less ma, then take the negative ma. And what is the difference ma? 9 to 11 ma minus 2, 17 to 20 minus 3, 21 to 16 ma more is there ma plus 5, 10 to 18 ma less minus 8, 15, 19 ma minus 4, plus 5 minus 5 cancel minus 12, nothing but 12,000 less ma. So in that way also we can observe ma.